Welcome to Uniarch Learning Hub. In the following episodes, we are going to introduce and make video settings. We will give you a detailed introduction of video in the first episode. Let's get started. In video option, we can set some common parameters for main, sub, and third video streams. We'll take main stream as an example. Here provides you three options for video compression standard: H.265, H.264, and MJPEG. H.265 can deliver best images among them, and its default bitrate is half of that for H.264. When bandwidth is limited, H.265 can ensure higher coding efficiency and deliver smoother video. As we can see, the camera has several kinds of resolution to choose from, such as 1080p, 720p, D1 and so on, the definition of which decrease in turn. Frame rate works for image encoding. The higher the frame rate is, the smoother the video becomes. But the video display effect is also related to the screen refresh rate, so we should select an appropriate frame rate for our display devices. Bitrate is the bandwidth required for data transmission. Here we can set bitrate type. If we select CBR, constant bitrate, the camera will transmit data at a constant bitrate. DBR stands for variable bitrate, and the camera will adjust bitrate automatically according to image quality. When DBR is chosen, we can move the slider to adjust image quality. Moving the slider toward bitrate decreases the bitrate and may affect image quality, while toward quality increases the bitrate and improves image quality. Iframe interval shows the interval that an iframe is encoded. Then we set the level of smoothing. Similar to image quality, clear means disabling smoothing, and moving the slider towards smooth increases smoothing but will affect image quality. When network connection is poor, we can enable smoothing to get fluent video. Scalable video coding, SVC, enables us to reduce storage without compromising playback quality. Ucode, a technology self-developed by UniView, can achieve higher compression ratio while the resolution remains. In basic mode, the actual bitrate is around 3/4 of the set bitrate. In advanced mode, the actual bitrate is around half of that. Ucode helps to reduce the demand for network bandwidth in transmission, and decrease the need for hard disk space in storage. Similarly, we can enable substream and third stream, and modify the parameters as needed. That's all for today's learning. Hope this will be helpful to you. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.